Hello and welcome to the Wise Path. Have you ever had a day when you felt incredibly motivated? You made a plan and started that you told yourself, this time I am going to change my life. Maybe you started working out, learning a new skill, applying for jobs, building a business, or simply trying to become a better version of yourself. But after a few days, everything felt different. Then suddenly the motivation disappeared. You started procrastinating. You picked up your phone and you told yourself, I will do it tomorrow. And tomorrow became next week. But here's the truth, you may not have a motivation problem at all. You may have a brain that has learned to choose easy rewards over meaningful progress. So, and once you understand why this happens, you can start changing it. Today, I am going to explain three psychological reasons why you lose motivation and what you can do about each one. So, your brain loves immediate rewards. Imagine you have two choices. You can spend 30 minutes learning something that may help your future, or you can spend 30 minutes scrolling through your phone and get entertainment immediately. Your brain naturally notices the second option. Why? Because the reward is instant. You don't have to wait, you don't have to struggle, you don't have to concentrate. And this is one reason highly stimulating activities can make ordinary tasks feel boring. The problem isn't necessarily that your goal isn't important. The problem is that your brain is constantly comparing the effort of the goal with the speed of the reward. So that's why checking your phone can feel easier than studying, and watching another video can feel easier than starting a project, and lying in bed can feel easier than going for a walk. So, what should you do? Don't wait until you feel motivated. Make the first step ridiculously small. Don't say, I am going to study and for 3 hours. Say, I am going to study for 10 minutes. And don't say, I am going to completely change my life. Say, I am going to take one useful action today. And your goal is not to feel motivated first, your goal is to create momentum. And your goal is too far away. Here's another reason motivation disappears. Your goal feels too distant. Maybe you want a better career, a healthier body, financial freedom, a successful business, a YouTube channel with thousands of subscribers. But when the results is months or years away, your brain struggles to feel rewarded today. So you work for 1 week, nothing happens. You work for another week, still nothing. Eventually, your brain asks, what's the point? This is why you need to stop measuring progress only by the final result. Instead, measure actions. Don't ask, did I become successful today? Ask, did I do the work today? So don't ask, did I lose 20 pounds? Ask, did I follow my plan today? Don't ask, did my channel become successful? Ask, did I create something valuable today? When you focus on controllable actions, progress becomes visible. And visible progress creates motivation. So you are waiting to feel ready. This is might to be biggest one. Many people believe motivation comes first. They think, when I feel motivated I will start, but real life often works the other way around. Action creates motivation. Think about going for a fun. Before you leave the house you may feel lazy, but once you put on your shoes, once you step outside, once you take the first few steps, it becomes easier. The same thing happens with work. The hardest part is often not doing the task, it's starting the task. So create a rule, and when you don't feel like doing something important, and do it for just 5 minutes, 5 minutes of studying, 5 minutes of writing, and 5 minutes of exercise, 5 minutes of working on your goal. You can stop after 5 minutes if you genuinely want to, but most of the time starting will be easier than you expected, because your brand doesn't always need motivation, and sometimes it simply needs momentum. So the truth is, there is something else you need to understand. Motivation is temporary, it comes and goes. Some mornings you will wake up feeling unstoppable, other mornings you will want to do absolutely nothing. That's normal. So if your entire life depends on motivation, your progress will always be inconsistent. Instead, build something stronger. A system means you don't ask yourself every day whether you feel like doing the work. You simply have a time when you do it. You don't negotiate, you don't wait for the perfect mood, and you start even if it's imperfect, even if it's slow, even if nobody notices. Because success is rarely built by the person who feels motivated every single day, it's built by the person who keeps moving even when motivation disappears. So the next time you lose motivation, don't immediately call yourself lazy. Ask yourself three questions. Am I choosing immediate rewards over meaningful progress? Is my goal so far away that I can't see today's progress? And I am waiting to feel ready before I take action. So then do one small thing, not tomorrow, not Monday, not when you feel inspired. Today, open the book, write the first sentence, take the first step, work for 5 minutes on it. And because sometimes you don't need a new life, you just need to start moving again. And remember, you don't need motivation to take the first step. Sometimes taking the first step is what creates the motivation. If this video helped you see your motivation differently, subscribe to the Wise Path for more psychology, self improvement, and practical lessons for building a better life. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.